Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is arsenic contamination in Bihar. Why in news? A study by Patna's Mahavir Cancer Sansthan found high arsenic concentrations in foods across 11 arsenic hotspot districts in Bihar. Arsenic contamination, a long-standing issue in Bihar's water supply, has now been detected in alarming levels in staple foods such as rice, wheat and potatoes, posing significant health risk. About arsenic, it is an odorless and tasteless metalloid widely distributed in the Earth's crust. It is naturally present at high levels in the earth crust and groundwater of a number of countries. It is highly toxic in its inorganic form. It can get into the human body through drinking water as well as eating food that has been contaminated with arsenic. Arsenicosis is the medical word for arsenic poisoning, which occurs due to accumulation of large amounts of arsenic in the body. It leads to adverse health effects through inhibition of essential enzymes, which ultimately leads to death from the multi-system organ failure. Long-term exposure to arsenic from drinking water and food can cause cancer and skin lesions. It has also been associated with cardiovascular disease and diabetes. Key highlights of the study: rice, wheat and potatoes from arsenic-exposed households showed contamination levels above permissible limits set by the Food and Agriculture Organization. 14% of rice, 63% of wheat and 3% of potato samples exceeded FAO's arsenic limits. 55% of lactating mothers had arsenic levels in breast milk exceeding WHO limits, endangering infants. Arsenic contamination in groundwater is a significant source of irrigation in these regions. The contamination is attributed to sediment deposits in the Gangetic Plains worsened by changes in the river Ganga's morphology over the past 50 years. What are the sources of groundwater contamination? Naturally occurring contaminants. High levels of arsenic, fluoride, iron and uranium exist naturally in some geological formations, contaminating groundwater. Agriculture. Excessive use of fertilizers, pesticides and herbicides leach harmful chemicals into the water table. Industrial waste. Untreated industrial effluents often find their way into groundwater sources, introducing heavy metals and other toxins. Urbanization. Leaky sewage systems and improper waste disposal in urban areas contribute to groundwater pollution. Saltwater intrusion. In coastal areas, overpumping of groundwater can cause saltwater from the ocean to infiltrate freshwater aquifers, rendering the water unusable for drinking or irrigation. Conclusion: immediate medical and policy interventions are needed, including regular testing, awareness campaigns, and safer agricultural practices. Alternative water sources for irrigation are critical to reduce contamination. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about arsenic. It is an odorless and tasteless metalloid widely distributed in the Earth's crust. Long-term exposure to arsenic from drinking water and food can cause cancer and skin lesions. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send us the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.